Asian Snow White jasmine is an evergreen shrub of the genus Wrightia, native to Sri Lanka. Asian Snow White is a small, compact, and bushy shrub growing up to 1.5 meters tall. It blooms non-stop all year round. At full bloom, plant is covered with 1-inch white flowers that look like little stars, or with some imagination snowflakes from a distance. Leaves are elliptic, glossy, and evergreen. Jasmine Asian Snow White prefers full sun exposure, but also grow in partial shade. They do not resist frost. The soil can be normal, well-drained garden soil with coarse sand and plenty of organic matter. Pot transplanting is done early in spring. The bark possesses antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, and therefore the juice extracted from it is administered for mouth sores. The leaves are used in treating several skin disorders, psoriasis, nonspecific dermatitis, and many more. The bark is used as an adulterant for the well-known drug tolerant. The juice from this plant is also a potent ingredient for a mixture of wall plaster. Growing this type of jasmine can create a perfume shield over arbors, trellises, and fences. Good companion plant suggestions for this plant is corn, beans, and squash. Clematis vines also grow well with this type of jasmine.